South Africa, land of safaris, sweeping savannas, and animals so unique they don't seem real. Sure, you've heard of lions and elephants, but today we're meeting both the iconic and the unusual creatures that call this wild place home. Let's start with the king, the lion. But here's a twist. South African lions aren't just fierce hunters, they also sleep up to 20 hours a day. Yep, the so-called king of beasts is also the king of catnaps. Next, the mighty white rhino. Despite weighing over 2 tons, they're gentle grass eaters. And no, white rhino isn't about color. It's a mistranslation of weight, meaning wide, describing their broad mouths. Language mix-up turned legend. Meet the armadillo girdled lizard, a mini-dragon straight out of a fantasy novel. When threatened, it curls into a ball and bites its own tail, turning into a spiky donut no predator wants to swallow. The springbok isn't just South Africa's national animal, it's a pogo stick with horns. They do this weird bounce called pronking, leaping stiff-legged into the air, almost like they're showing off. Imagine being chased and still stopping to flex. Elephants are iconic, but here's the wild part. Some South African elephants have adapted to desert life, traveling miles without water and even digging with their tusks to make wells. Talk about ecosystem engineers. Now for a nighttime oddball, the aardvark. With a pig snout, rabbit ears, and a kangaroo tail, it's like nature couldn't decide what to make, so it made them all. It vacuums up 50,000 termites in a single night. Termite apocalypse activated. This owl is South Africa's biggest, but here's the fun fact, it has pink eyelids. Looks like it's always wearing eyeshadow. Fierce predator by night, fashion icon by day. And finally, zebras. Scientists still debate why they have stripes. Is it camouflage, bug repellent, or just fashion sense? Whatever the reason, no 2 zebras have the same pattern. It's basically nature's barcode. So there you have it. South Africa's wild cast of characters, from sleepy lions to bouncing springboks, spiky lizards, and bug vacuuming aardvarks. This is a land where every creature tells a story. So there you have it, South Africa's wild cast of characters, from sleepy lions to bouncing springboks, spiky lizards, and bug vacuuming aardvarks. This is a land where every creature tells a story.